Hello everyone, my name is Aji. I am CEO and founder of Topilmu.id. So this Topilmu.id, I have experience about 15 years in the field in training, education, and learning management system. And okay. And Topilmu is education technology or edutech. Yes, we actually focus on the edutech. Indonesian people also will many talks hari gini fokus di edutech. Is like maybe Indonesian people or almost maybe most people is like underestimate about the business of education, because yeah, education is not easy to raise a profit, to get a revenue, because the hard thing in the education industry on the education market is we are very hard if we focus in the pocket of the people, pocket of the family, pocket of the personal. But that's why we focus on the business to business. So we focus only the pocket of the company, pocket of the corporate. And we meet Adi. Adi is not a real name. We call this Adi. He is a professional, have high experience of the retail industry, and expert in strategy and execution. But the problem is he want to monetize his knowledge, and the problem is what he do. What do you think? He don't have access for the market. He don't know how to sell the knowledge, how to sell his ability to coaching, how to sell ability to give a consulting session. And the other side of the others company in the far away in Indonesia, let's say we meet XYZ company. XYZ company is fine the training program in the strategy and execution, but in the other side have allow a budget training. And because they focusing in the regulation of or the cost effectiveness in the internal company, and they have searched for a training program, but none of them meets the requirement, because a lot of vendor training or a lot of the firm consulting is charged more if we want to make a customized program, if we make a specific program. So this is a solution for the XYZ company. So the Topilmu.id is we are doing this. This is our role. We connecting Adi and XYZ company, and the end of the story is happy ending, because Adi as a trainer facilitator have additional income, and then XYZ company as a client is have a good training program, with meet the budget training, and the last is Topilmu get fee from that activity. So the conclusion is Topilmu is like a Gojek, but we connect between a professional and expert with corporation. If Gojek connecting between a driver and a passenger, Topilmu.id is connecting between professional expert with corporation for training and coaching activities. And this is a traction of Topilmu, a little highlights. Start operating in 2023, so we have 1 years, and get annual revenue about $20,000 US from 5 corporate clients, which is we have a good relationship with them, and we give a good solution of the training program and coaching program. And then this is a little secret of our market, yeah. The data is from the training magazine. We adaptation from the DGP in Indonesia, and actually Indonesia have about 4.6 billion US dollar, and have we focus on the corporate and the banking, because the only ability company is who have a budget, and who have want to pay for the training program is corporate and banking, and then the government support them with the regulation, yeah, with the Otoritas Jasa Keuangan or OJK give a mandatory for the banking industry to give at least 5% of the labor cost is to allocate to training program. So we focus in that industry, which is I confident is the not wrong industry we in. So that's all. The conclusion is Topilmo is connect professional expert with corporation training and annual revenue have $20,000 and edutech that focus on the B2B market. And then this much of the interesting slide, but I can share for you if we had discuss later. Thank you. And last time I'm sorry, my English is not good ya. Tapi saya berusaha lah buat ini, buat bisa memenangkan hati Anda semua. Thank you, terima kasih.
Thank you very much. That was Topi Ilmu.